Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. They all are billionaires. They have money to buy anything, but they all can't buy one thing, that is time. Time is a limited asset that you have a certain amount of time, that is 24 hours a day, and you have to settle that 24 hours to be managed and be productive in your day-to-day life. In this video, I am telling the secret tips that you should apply to manage your times and perform well as your time. So let's get started. The first one is going to be have a to-do list before you sleep. I'm a big fan of a to-do list because if you create a to-do list before you sleep before night, then you save 2 hours of your life and invest that 2 hours of life in next day. So at that moment you got 26 hours a day instead of 24 hours a day. So maintain a to-do list to prepare for your next day, that you should apply. And when you create your to-do list, make sure to set the deadline for that, and when your mind remember those things to work, then the subconscious mind feed you to work when you are sleeping, and the mindset would be clear when you are sleeping. The next day I am going to be accomplish those things, the to-do list. The second one is going to be set a time limit. You have to make a certain time limit to do any task. Like Elon Musk maintain a time block that he take 5 minutes of every meeting, and then the 5 minutes is the time limit for those meetings. Then this is the time limit that you should continue doing this, and for those more even productive than those long interviews or long meetings. And you should set a certain amount of time for everything. The third one is going to be eat that frog. Mark Twain once said, if it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it fast, eat it in morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. As Mark Twain said, you have to make your to-do list to even prioritize that the high performing tasks or the even hardest tasks should be cleared in fast moment, the fast period of your time. Then you should go for your smallest or less productive hours to do other things. Then you should be productive and utilize your time or energy in anything. The fourth one is going to be delegate or outsource. If you have 2 works, one is getting vegetable in market, and second is writing important emails or doing work, then you should do the highest performing asset you can do, or you can do the writing of emails instead of doing that other thing, the market thing, because you can delegate the tasks to someone to buy vegetables instead of when you write emails, you have to write emails for anything. Then if you delegate or outsource certain things, then you have a bunch of time to save, and those time would be delegated to other works and performed well and managed well your time while you are outsourced the other things. The fifth one is going to be focus on one thing. Don't be multitasking, or when you focus on one thing, you have a clear mindset that you have to do the one thing, the thing you are working on. When you multitask, your mind would be divided in many parts, doing all the things, all tasks in same amount of time, and it has the memory, the energy loss for those multitasks. Save your energy and don't multitask when you are working or anything. The sixth one is going to be weekly audit your time. Make sure to weekly audit your time for the next 7 days, when or how your time is going, and how many time required to do the certain amount of work, and then you have to decide where is your time is going and how you can multiply those works by saving your time and as well as productive in your work. The certain tips I should share is, one is use Pomodoro technique while you are working, and second one is apply Eisenhower matrix, the 2x2 matrix in your to-do list. These two are in the destructive video, the 7 proven strategy to overcome distraction video. So check that out. Use these two techniques to save your bunch of time. Always remember, time is everything. You have to take action from your time, because this is the fixed asset. You don't have the rest 24 hours or 80 hours of a day. You have the 24 hours a day. Everyone is having the same amount of time, but you have to decide the time and the work productive or not. Like, share and subscribe, and do comment what is the biggest time management tip and the time consuming routine for your day.